Pakistan, Turkey, Northern Cyprus, supranational organizations. Dar al-Hizmat, a board of service in a globalized world, Will Taylor. Center for Hizmat Studies. January 7, 2015. The Gulen movement, and since 2015 by the government of Turkey as FETO, is a transnational socially conscious Islamic movement with political overtones and aspirations. Inspired by the writings and preachings of Fethullah Gulen, a Turkish Islamic preacher who has lived in the United States since 1999. The movement is designated as a terrorist organization by Turkey, Pakistan, and the GCC. Owing to the outlawed status of the Gulen movement in Turkey, some observers refer to the movement's volunteers, who are Turkish Muslims, as effectively a subsect of Sunni Islam. These volunteers generally hold their religious tenets as generically Turkish Sunni Islam. The movement also includes participants from other nationalities and religious affiliations. A US-based umbrella foundation which is affiliated with the movement is the Alliance for Shared Values. The movement has attracted supporters and drawn the attention of critics in Turkey, Central Asia, and other parts of the world. It is active in education and operates private schools and universities in over 180 countries. It has initiated forums for interfaith dialogue. It has substantial investments in media, finance, and for-profit health clinics. Despite its teachings, which are stated conservative even in Turkey, some have praised the movement as a pacifist, modern-oriented version of Islam, and an alternative to more extreme schools of Islam such as Salafism. But it has also been reported of having global, apocalyptic ambition, a cultish hierarchy, and of being a secretive Islamic sect. The Gulen movement is a former ally of the Turkish Justice and Development Party. When the AKP came to power in 2002, the two formed, despite their differences, a tactical alliance against military tutelage and the Turkish secular elite. It was through this alliance that the AKP had accomplished an unprecedented feat in Turkish Republican history by securing national electoral victories sufficient to form 3 consecutive majority governments in 2002, 2007, and 2011. The Gulen movement gained influence on the Turkish police force and the judiciary during its alliance with conservative President Erdogan, which saw hundreds of Gulen supporters appointed to positions within the Turkish government. Once the old establishment was defeated around 2010 to 2011, disagreements emerged between the AKP and the Gulen movement. The first breaking point was the so-called MIT crisis of February 2012. It was also interpreted as a power struggle between pro-Gulen police and judiciary and the AKP. After the 2013 corruption investigations in Turkey into stated corrupt practices by several bureaucrats, ministers, mayors, and family members of the ruling AKP of Turkey was uncovered, President Recep Tayyip Erdogan blamed the movement for initiating the investigations as a result of a break in previously friendly relations. President Erdogan said Gulen attempted to overthrow the Turkish government through a judicial coup by the use of corruption investigations and seized the group-owned newspaper and several companies that have ties with the group. Since May 2016, the Gulen movement has been classified as a terrorist organization by Turkey under the assigned names Fethullahist Terrorist Organization. After the failed coup attempt in 2016, the government of Turkey blamed the group for the coup, and authorities have arrested thousands of soldiers and judges. Over 10,000 education staff were suspended and the licenses of over 20,000 teachers working at private institutions were revoked for stated affiliation to Gulen. Fethullah Gulen condemned the coup and denied any involvement. The movement states that it is based on moral values and advocacy of universal access to education, civil society, tolerance and peace. The emphasis among participants is to perform service as arising from individuals' personal commitments to righteous imperatives. Along with Hizmet, the movement, which has no official name, is termed the Gulen movement or Sema. The movement has been characterized as a moderate blend of Islam. Gulen and the Gulen movement are technology-friendly, work within current market and commerce structures, and are savvy users of modern communications and public relations. In 2008, Gulen was described as the modern face of the Sufi Ottoman tradition, who reassures his followers, including many members of Turkey's aspirational middle class, that they can combine the statist nationalist beliefs of Ataturk's republic with the traditional but flexible Islamic faith and Ottoman traditions that had been caricatured as theocratic by Ataturk and his Kemalist heirs. In the early 2000s, the Gulen movement was seen as keeping a distance from established Islamic political parties. Sources state that the Gulen movement